Preserve your hard-earned trust and keep that social proof flowing by migrating your Zendrop reviews directly to your Shopify store. First, head over to your Shopify admin on the left-hand navigation bar. Locate and click on the Apps section. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar at the top to find the Zendrop app. Click on the Zendrop app listed in the search results. Once you're on the Zendrop app page, look for and click the Add App button. This will initiate the process of connecting Zendrop to your Shopify store. You'll then see a permission screen. Review the requested access and click Install App to authorize Zendrop to access your store data. Now that Zendrop is installed, navigate to the Zendrop app within your Shopify admin. You're looking for a section related to reviews or specifically Migrate reviews. Within the Zendrop reviews section, you should find a button or option to import your existing reviews. Click this to begin the transfer. Zendrop will now automatically transfer all your collected customer reviews directly into your Shopify store. This process can take a few moments depending on the number of reviews you have. Once the migration is complete, you'll see your customer reviews proudly displayed on your Shopify product pages. This instantly boosts your store's credibility and encourages more purchases. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your Zendrop reviews. Keep that trust built and watch your conversions soar.